Meet the world's first configurable wireless shifter, adaptable, programmable, and built to work with any drivetrain. Unlike other wireless systems, NXS isn't locked to one brand. It's modular, open, and fully customizable, shifting on your terms. With advanced features like Hypershift, gear changes are faster and snappier than ever. On-the-fly trim control from the handlebar remote makes fine adjustments effortless. Our mobile app lets you configure NXS for virtually any derailleur, from 2-speed to 32-speed. The NXS system supports up to 6 devices. Coming soon, a front road shifter and dropper adapter. The remote control buttons, fully customizable. Assign any function any way you like. Designed, developed, and prototyped by OG Bikeworks, we do it all in-house, including our own PCB manufacturing, for maximum control and quality. Step into the future of wireless control. Get NXS. Now available on Kickstarter.